Hello and welcome. I will be answering NECO 2018 Chemistry Objective Past Question 12. The type of bond formed when two elements with electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, and 1s2, 2s2, 2p4 combine is A. Coordinate, B. Covalent, C. Electrovalent, D. Hydrogen, E. Metallic. So you are given two elements here, the electronic configuration of two elements, and you are asked to deduce the type of bond that will be formed between those two elements. So let's look at the two electronic configurations and try to see what elements they are, or what kind of elements they are, so we can then have an idea of the type of bond they are likely to form. So now the first one is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. Now to get the total electron count, you just add up all these numbers up here, you add them all together, and that will give you the total number of electrons in one atom of that element. So 2 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2 is equal to 12 electrons, and the number of electrons is equal to the number of protons. Number of electrons is equal to number of protons, and number of protons is equal to the atomic number. So if an element has 12 electrons, it means it has 12 protons, and then it means its atomic number is 12, and atomic number 12 is magnesium. Atomic number 12 is magnesium. Now 1s2, 2s2, 2p4, that's a total of 8 electrons, and similarly number of electrons is equal to number of protons is equal to atomic number. So atomic number is 8, and the element with atomic number 8 is oxygen. So we are asked for the type of bond that will be formed between magnesium and oxygen. Now looking at these two elements, magnesium is a metal, and in order for it to attain stability, it will need to donate 2 electrons, 2 of its valence electrons, and oxygen is a non-metal. In order for it to achieve stability, it will need to accept 2 electrons, and we are made to understand that the form of chemical bonding, or the type of chemical bonding that is formed by donation of electrons by a metal, which is then accepted by metal, is known as electrovalent or ionic bond. So electrovalent or ionic bond is the type of bond that will be formed between elements with these electronic configurations, and electrovalent bond is option C, which is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.